Hello friends, follow the steps to fix dxgmms1.sys blue screen error. The error mostly occurs because of issue with NVIDIA graphics driver. So use DDU and clean the graphics driver. Launch a browser. Type download DDU in the address bar and press enter. Click on this link. Depending on the language of your system, click on the download button. Once downloading is completed, click on show in folder icon. This is a zip file, so click on extract all. Click on extract. Right click on the exe file. Select open. Click on extract. Now open DDU version something and open this exe file, display driver uninstaller.exe. Click on select the device type, select GPU. Here click on this drop down and select NVIDIA. Close the windows running on the system and click on clean and restart. After the computer is restarted, go to the NVIDIA driver download page. Open a browser. Type NVIDIA driver. Download. Press enter. Click on this link. Select the product category. Choose the options depending on your computer. Click on find. For game ready driver, click on view. Click on download. Once downloading is completed, click on this icon. Right click on the exe file and select open. Click on yes. Click on OK. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the installation. The issue should be fixed now. If the blue screen still persists, you can do one more thing. Update DirectX to the latest version. Again open the browser. Type DirectX. Press enter. Click on this link. Click on download. Click on the exe file. Yes. I accept the agreement. Click on next. Uncheck this box and click on next. Click on finish. Then restart your computer and check if the problem is gone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.